going on, peeps? Boy, coming at you again. This video is a little bit different because I'm gonna be actually fixing up the G20 after going back and forth with this numerous times. It's time. So that's gonna be the next car that I'm gonna be fixing up, on the channel and bringing to the channel. And also what I'm learning too is it's actually that's gonna bring a whole nother audience to the channel too, because of course you guys already know V6, it's not going nowhere. I'm always continue to keep doing little things I can to fix that up, bringing it to the channel, but it's time to do something a little bit different. So that's why I want to bring a different vehicle to the channel. So here it is. Let me go ahead and kind of break it down a little bit, give you guys a little history on the van while I do the walk around of the exterior. So it's a 1994 G20 Chevy van. Okay, I've had this thing for August of 2021 to be 7 years. It still runs. Everything, the AC doesn't work, but nevertheless the thing still runs. It does need a lot of work done to it to be back into pristine condition, but that's all right, because we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna handle all that. Okay, so again, it's a 1994 G20 Chevy van. It's pushing the 5.7 liter V8. It has the 4L60E transmission. Okay, and as you can see, it's all white, original color. This edition didn't come with the ladder in the back, but I do have the fifth wheel on the back. Okay, and yeah, really nothing too bad with the body. The body's pretty solid, no rust nowhere. The only things, the imperfections that consist of the body is you have on the driver's side by the tailpipe, I had a blowout, so that kind of damaged this rear panel right here. And I have a few little imperfections right here, like you can kind of see them, little dents right there, like 3 of them. Kind of get on the corner, you can see them. Kind of the bumper's a little dented up, not too bad. And the only other imperfection on the exterior will be in the hood. Got a few dimples in the hood here, but nothing too big. We're gonna take care of that, but that's last. Okay, so pretty much what I'm gonna do with this thing is I plan on fixing this thing up in phases. But before I talk about what I'm gonna do, let's take a look in the inside. So as you can see, it's all original. The seats aren't ripped or anything like that. Original carpet. Yeah, a lot of wood in here. We're gonna take care of that, because what I'm trying to do is get everything reupholstered, but I still want to maintain the elegant and vintage type look in the inside when I get the interior done. Okay, but as you can see, I mean, not bad for a damn near 30-year-old vehicle. I mean, it's really not bad. The thing is still like you can live in this thing. Got the bed in the back, got the 4 captain chairs. You got lights all around. I mean, it's not too shabby to be almost a 30-year-old vehicle. Okay, it's currently pushing. I bought this thing and had 200,000 miles on the speedometer, odometer, I mean, and it's currently pushing about 200. I think I'm about to reach 250. So I put about 50,000 on it in the last 7 years. Okay, which is not bad. And I've never had any really major issues. The thing's never broke down, overheated on me. However, it's been sitting up probably for the past almost 2 years now, because I bought another car that I daily drive, because this used to be my daily driver, but not anymore. So it's been kind of sitting up and slowly deteriorating. I'll come out here and occasionally start it just to keep the fluids running in and out, but go ahead man. Start this thing up, man. So y'all know I ain't playing, man. It ain't been started up in probably maybe about 2 to 3 weeks now. So it might be a little shabby, but nevertheless, this thing start up, man. All right. So let's get it going here. I'm gonna let it run for about 10-15 minutes. That's what I do, just to keep the fluids going. Look at that, man. First turn. I told y'all, man. Told y'all the first turn on that baby, man. And like I got currently what, 250 on the dash. It's still running like a champ. Okay, so yeah. Told y'all it starts right up, man. Told y'all I wasn't playing, man. Yeah, that's all about to change, okay? It's all about to change because I finally made my mind up. I've always liked these things, and yeah, we're gonna finally get it fixed up, man. We're gonna do this thing in phases. It's always a good thing to have a good mapped out plan what you want to do. So the first thing I'm gonna do to this vehicle, and I'm actually gonna be dropping it off probably within the next few weeks or so, is we're gonna take care of all the engine problems and the transmission. So I'm gonna fully gut that thing out, rebuild it, replace all the necessary, gaskets and whatnot, and yeah, do the transmission. That's gonna be the first phase. Okay. Second phase we're gonna do is we're gonna pretty much take care of all of the brakes, all of the suspension. We're gonna take care of that next. Okay. Third, I'm gonna get the interior done. Okay, and the good thing about me is a lot of the interior, I'm probably go with like a leather. I'm thinking about a leather type interior. I'm gonna replace all the carpet, the dash. I'm gonna do all that stuff. Only thing I'm not gonna do with the interior is I'm gonna have somebody upholstery my seats. I don't do all that. But as far as taking all the wood trimmings out, restoring it, I could do all that stuff. I'm gonna do all that myself. So pretty much that's the third phase. The fourth phase is I'm gonna paint it. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely paint it. And before I paint it, obviously I gotta get all the I don't know what color, nothing like that. I'm still in the early phases of figuring that out. I don't know if I'm gonna repaint it white with the original decals or graphics on it, or if I'm gonna just do it go with like a candy color. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. But I got time. I got time to do that. And the fifth stage will be, last but not least, is the rims. What type of wheels I want to do. You have so many choices and flavors of rims. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I know I'm going to probably have, I'll probably have like 2 pair of rims. Because I plan on putting this bad boy, or actually I'm going to save that for the channel. I ain't going to tell you, but that'll be the fifth phase, is deciding what type of wheels I'm going to put on this thing. Okay. So we're going to do it like that, man. And I'm kind of excited because, like I said, I've always, liked these vehicles. And you don't see too many around in my area where they're all prettied up and, nice. Every one of them, they look like this. I mean, not saying mines look bad, but they look average. They look beat up. They look worn out. Like nobody loves them. This one, when I get done with it, you guys are going to know this thing is going to be loved, just like the Camaro. Matter of fact, it might be in the garage when I get done with it. Seriously, the Camaro might be over here. But yeah. So yeah, those are the plans I got for the G20, and we're gonna make it happen. And we got to do it one step at a time, but nevertheless, we're gonna make it happen. The very first thing I'm actually gonna do is the power windows and door locks don't work, so I'm gonna be replacing all the actuators and all the regulators. That way we can make sure everything, all the power and everything works in there. That's gonna be the first thing I do, and I'll do a video on that and show you guys how to do all that stuff. Okay, so there you have it, the G20, man. We finna get her pranced up and do all that other good stuff, man. So if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to leave me a like, leave me a comment. I'm pretty good with getting back to people. It's a lot of people that give me a lot of feedback on the Camaro, which I'm pretty cool with. And I try to get back to people in a timely manner. However, if you guys, hit me up on YouTube and I don't get back to you, feel free to hit me up on my Instagram, because I get back to people real time on my Instagram. Okay, that's the social platform that I'm really on a lot. So if you guys, lock in my Instagram, hit me up. You got any questions about anything, hit me up. I'm here to help you guys. All right. On that note, I'm out. You guys take care, be blessed, and always remain humble. All right. Till the next time.